Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best mini drone professional 4K available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best mini drone professional 4K, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. L200 Pro Max GPS Brushless Motor 4K 2-axis. With foldable arm, small size, fuselage 216G easy to carry. Is 2-axis anti-shake gimbal and 4K HD camera bring more effective anti-shake effect and guarantee the image quality at the same time. With 5G Wi-Fi function can be connected app, take pictures, video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. GPS assisted flight provides you with accurate positioning details of your drone. The drone will automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak when flying out of range, never worrying about losing the drone. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. When an obstacle is detected during flight, it will automatically avoid obstacles, providing protection for your worry-free flight. Optical flow positioning. Fixed point height and it can shoot more easily and steadily. Indoor. Brushless motor. Breakdown rarely occurs and motor replacement is seldom required, which makes your flight more enjoyable. 6-axis gyro, which can have more stable flying and be easy to control. The quadcopter fuselage is made of high-strength and resistant engineering plastics, lightweight and durable resistance. The high-capacity 7.4 volts/1600 mAh intelligent battery yields up to 20 minutes flight time. GPS follow, GPS pointing flight, zoom in and zoom out, gesture camera video, one-click sharing. Many functions are waiting for you to experience. Number 2. S6 Mini Drone Professional 4K. With foldable arms, compact and easy to carry. With 2.4G Wi-Fi function, can connect to APK system to take photos, videos and transmit images in real time through mobile phone camera. 2.4G Wi-Fi 4K HD, 2.4G Wi-Fi 6K HD/2.4G Wi-Fi 8K HD camera can provide various HD images and videos. With altitude hold mode function to provide stable flight. Orbital movement will allow the aircraft to fly in circles, providing cooler camera angles. Waypoint flight mode. Simply draw a route on screen with the helicopter as the given path. Flight time of up to 15-18 minutes. No need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flight. One-touch return function. You can easily find your way home. One-touch takeoff/landing. One button auto takeoff or landing. The drone will automatically take off or return to the takeoff position. With low power protection over current protection. Interference immunity using 2.4 GHz technology. 4 channels, can fly up, down, forward, backward, left and right. 6-axis gyroscope for more stable flight and easier control. It has 3 flight speed switch levels to make flying more fun. The quadrotor fuselage is made of strong, high-strength engineering plastic, lightweight and durable. Number 3. 8K pixels 4K HD dual camera. 360 degrees all-round laser obstacle avoidance, GPS positioning and optical flow positioning. Dual mode. Dual camera switching in 5-sided infrared obstacle avoidance. Brushless motor, 8K pixel. Equipped with electrically adjustable continuous 90-degree camera. Level 7 wind resistance, uncontrolled return, LCD remote control. Low battery return, one-click return, about 20 minutes of battery life. 5G high-definition image transmission. Intelligent follow-up, gesture photography and video recording, 50x zoom of the screen, and interest points around. Number 4. NBD GPS Drone with 4K camera. With 3-axis mechanical gimbal and electronic 4K is image stabilization camera. The photos you take are more stable, 5G transmission and 120 degrees motorized lens allow you to view images and videos from previously unimaginable angles. The drone has an integrated TF card slot, which can hold memory cards up to 32 GB. We offer a 32 GB TF card. The drone is equipped with GPS satellite signals. If the battery is low, out of control or without signal, the plane will automatically return to the starting point, so there is no need to worry about losing the drone. Multiple intelligent flight modes allow the drone to fly automatically. These intelligent flight modes include follow mode, trajectory flight and avoid flight. The plane can follow you automatically by flying in a specific circle or around a specified point. Meanwhile, all you can do is use your creativity freely. Two batteries can reach about 50 minutes of flight per charge. The brushless motor has low power consumption and works very well. Thanks to the foldable design and custom shell, the drone can be easily transported anywhere. To provide you with personalized customer service, you don't have to worry about using drones. We have professional drone customer service that will patiently teach you how to transform from a beginner drone to an unmanned aerial vehicle. Professional slot player. If you are not satisfied with the product, we unconditionally accept your return, so that your purchase is guaranteed. Number 5. S2S Mini Drone 4K 8K HD Camera. The front lens is placed with wide-angle 6K high-definition Wi-Fi. The bottom high-definition lens with optical flow can switch the camera angle. The servo pan tilt is designed to increase stability, and the electronic anti-shake is added to make the photo line clearer. The height fixing function has the height keeping mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function has stable flight. Ultra long endurance 3.7 volts 2000 mAh Li-ion battery, which can last about 25 minutes. Customize the route. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the APP mobile phone control, one button return, headless mode, ascending and descending, forward and backward, left and right side flight, handed gesture photography, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, ultra long endurance, obstacle avoidance head assembly, which can stop when encountering obstacles without colliding with them. Brushless motor provides more powerful power and longer service life. The size and weight of the product are light, and the body weight is 174 grams, which can circumvent the National Aviation Control. Some countries require certification or registration for UAFs over 250 grams, and 210 grams can eliminate the challenge of certification and registration. 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope, more stable flight, more convenient control. 6K high-definition dual camera can capture stunning sharp and vivid images with expansive backgrounds. It also retains the most delicate details and makes your creation much more inspirational. The modular battery with real-time battery display applies 3.7 volts 1800 mAh capacity long-lasting flight of 25 minutes.